Hi, I'm Amber Oliver from Houston, Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to clean 6 household appliances.
Our Keurig is used almost every morning, and aside from wiping down the exterior, it had never been given a deep clean. First, unplug, then take out all the removable pieces. These can be hand washed in the sink with dish soap. Wipe down the exterior with a soapy rag. To clean the interior, you can run vinegar through the machine instead of water. This will remove buildup from your coffee maker. Make sure you've replaced all the pieces you removed. Then run water through a few times until it's clear. Keeping your toaster clean can mean keeping your home and family safe. Removing crumbs and keeping the appliance clean reduces your fire risk. First, remove the crumb tray from the bottom of the toaster. These trays can be cleaned with dish soap in the sink. Then, with the appliance unplugged, use a small brush to remove the crumbs from inside the toaster. A small paintbrush works great for this. Next, gently shake the toaster upside down over the sink to remove the loosened crumbs. You could also use the hose attachment on your vacuum. Now, clean the exterior of your toaster. Baking soda works great on stainless steel surfaces. To clean your dishwasher, start by removing the filter from the bottom of the dishwasher. If you've never cleaned this, or if it's been a while, it may look pretty gross. You can hand wash this in the sink. Use a toothbrush to clean the filter's screens. After replacing the filter, put a dishwasher-safe cup on the top shelf and fill with vinegar. Then, run a short, hot cycle. While the cycle runs, you can clean the exterior of your dishwasher. Start by removing the grates and burners from the stovetop. Place a stopper in the sink and make a baking soda bath for these pieces with hot water. If you have large grates like mine, you'll have to hand wash these separately. Let the pieces soak while you clean the stovetop. I first used the vacuum to remove crumbs and debris from the stovetop and the crevice between the counter. A vinegar spray, then a baking soda scrub, will help loosen any cooked-on materials. Wipe down and dry after. Back at the sink, remove and hand scrub the pieces before drying and returning to the stove. The large grates can be hand washed and scrubbed with baking soda before returning to your sparkling stovetop.
I hope this video has inspired you to clean all the appliances in your home.